Next, we will demonstrate the use of our smart chatbox features to add additional prompts or requests to the AI. One potential use of this is, let's say, you record the inventor interview and you transcribe that, and that transcription text may be messy. You can paste it into the chatbot and request that probably give you back a clean text. In this example, I might ask it to say provide equivalent uh, concepts for the tablet portion. And the software will, in this case, it doesn't seem to be good. So I'm gonna do a different prompt. I'd say provide definition, or let's just say list potential material for tablet portion 200. And let's see what it does. So it listed potential material. I guess some of this is not going to be practical, like aluminum tablet, but I suppose that could be happening. So we can certainly paste it into here and just say potential. Um, so this demonstrates how the smart chatbox could be used.